What's up, you guys? This is your boy back with another one. I want you guys to make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications because I will be posting every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday. There will be a new video uploaded on this channel for you guys to enjoy, to get knowledge. I'm trying to share tips and tricks, as y'all like to say. But let's get into this video. In the next several videos you will be watching, there will be a mix from beginning to end. I'm breaking it down in several parts, you guys. So this mix is Devin Raquel's Zombie. I'm going to be breaking it down from beginning to end over several parts, several videos to make it kind of short and sweet. I don't want to drag it on too long. Let's dive right on. I said drive. Let's dive right into this and get started. All right, so first thing first, as you can see in front of me, I have the session in front of me. I have a dope assistant who has already just basically pretty much just kind of labeled the tracks, plugged it straight into my template, and I'll let you guys see what my template looks like from the beginning. From here, this is what my template typically looks like. Boom. This is what my template looks like. I do have markers usually at the top, and that's just a reminder to always put markers there so that I have the markers. You can just slide them over left and right, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So as you can see, I have a print track, mix bus, music, acapellas, ACA mean acapella. Let's switch views. So you can see, so all of my effects go here, vocals, music, my drums, and then this is my kick and bass because I kind of like to mess with them differently. Then all the vocals go to the acapella here, and then all the music goes here. These get sent to my mix bus, which also gets sent to my print track because I print inside of my session. All right, so sorry about that. So let's look right into it. Let's go. It starts here to here. Let's highlight. Let's bring those back. So as you can see, everything is pretty much routed into my template. So once I hit play, you should see everything getting played right here at print. Also, something to pay attention to. I started everything in mono, so I'm using Down Mixer from it's a stock plugin in Pro Tools. I use it because I like to mix in mono. I like to start my mix in mono. I go back and forth, but I typically start in mono.
God is weed, and that's all he need. Calls it therapy. Find his peace at the bottom of a bottle, but it's temporary.
All right, so it's pretty simple. Like I said, he already put the track in here, which that's all I asked him for this video. Usually he'd go through and take out, as you can hear, from her, the lip smacks, all of that. He normally takes all of that out for me, and yeah, my team is great, yo. I definitely appreciate them. So for the video, I'm doing it for you guys. Let's go right into it because I know I'm hearing it and it's irritating me off jump. So I like to attack stuff that I hear from the start. Like I don't have a set way of I like to EQ, compression, delayed. No, whatever I hear from the get-go, that's what I'm attacking. I know that this is going to be a problem. You hear it? That is going to be a problem. Once I start adding compression, you can hear the K sounds because it's like it's a lot of headphone bleed. I'm gonna have to go ahead and attack that problem now. So I'm sorry. Command U is strip silence. So I like to go ahead and just make everything big, especially with the vocals, so I can really see what's vocals and what's really like background noise. And let's fine tune it. Solid. And let's really fine tune it. That looks solid. Make sure. Let's zoom in. What's this right here? It's nothing. Yeah, that's nothing. So really, that's nothing. We can get rid of the S. We can go here, A, and we'll get this. Boom. And we are going to hit F. Solid. Let's take a listen. So we can fine tune that, slide that over a little bit. I don't need all of that. That's solid. All right, cool.
Got his weed, and that's all he need. Calls it therapy. Find his peace at the bottom of a bottle, but it's temporary. I give him love, but he can't smoke it. When he hit the blunt, he don't even notice. Too hard to see. We both.
All right, that's a little too extreme because I want some more of that. I like that breath. A little too extreme. So let's slide this over. Let's see.
Got his weed, and that's all he need. Got his weed, and that's all he need. Calls it therapy. Find his peace at the bottom of a bottle, but it's temporary. I give him love.
All right, so what I'm doing now is I'm turning that breath down, and how I did that, I just highlighted it, and then you shift control, and you see how it turns to the little speaker looking thing, and I scroll up and down. So up, down. I'm just turning it down. Not complete, as you can see, it's not completely gone. When the compression hit it, it's gonna be nice, smooth right into it. Yeah.
Find his peace at the bottom of a bottle, but it's temporary.
All right, so we solid on that. Boom. Let's hit these fades. Fade everything in. All I did was just highlighted it and hit F, highlight the tracks. And for now, that. Let's take a listen to this part.
Don't wanna see him angry. I give him love. Don't wanna see him angry.
Yeah.
Don't wanna see him angry. I give him love, but he can't smoke it. When he hit the blunt, he don't even notice. Too hard to see.
You don't need that.
He don't even know. He don't even.
Make sure that it's he.
He don't even.
Okay, yeah, that's a he. Fade that. Don't even know.
Too.
That's some breaths. Let's get rid of that. I don't want too many of those breaths because, yeah, it's just gonna be too many. I just want that main one. The backgrounds, the ad-lib stuff, taking away the
He
breaths.
can't feed. Don't wanna see him angry. I give him love, but he can't smoke it. When he hit the.
We got one more right here. Strip. Let's go ahead and just knock out the rest of them. Then we'll clean it. All right, so I'll show you another little trick. I'm just gonna, since I already have everything highlighted, so we're gonna semicolon down, strip F, semicolon down, strip F, semicolon down, strip F, semicolon down, strip F, semicolon to go down. You're gonna strip it and hit F. And F is to add a little fade to the end. Let's get these vocals. Semicolon. Well, we can just highlight both of those. Boom, strip, hit F, and boom for the top bend. That should be solid.
can't smoke it. When he hit the blunt, he don't even notice. Too hard to see, we both are suffering. He rolling up, he rolling up, he rolling up that weed. He pulling up, he pulling up, he pulling up that drink. Rather be a zombie, don't wanna feel nothing. Rather be a zombie, don't wanna feel nothing. The life of the party, but come home empty. Don't wanna think, don't wanna feel the pain run too deep. Rather be a zombie, don't wanna feel nothing. Rather be a zombie, don't wanna feel nothing. Got his weed, but no groceries. He spent all our money. Roam the streets, there's a hunger he can't feed. Don't wanna see him angry. I give him love, but he can't smoke it. When he hit the blunt, he don't even notice. Too hard to see, we both are suffering. He rolling up, he rolling up, he rolling up that weed. He pulling up, he pulling up, he pulling up that.
All right, so yeah, this seems pretty solid to me. I see something down here. Let's check this out.
The life of the party, we rolling up and rolling up. Don't wanna think, don't wanna feel the rolling up, rolling up. Rather be a zombie, don't wanna feel nothing. Rather be a zombie, don't wanna feel nothing.
Boom. And so why I'm not messing with the track is because it's clean. I know that it was made in the box. There's nothing that was like really recorded live. So everything's pretty clean. So I don't have to really like just mess with it right now at all, to be totally honest. That's why I have it labeled here at the top. So it's pretty much, I can easily see where I'm at in the track. Intro, verse, hook. Let's have verse 2, hook, bridge. Well, this will be the bridge.
I give him love, but he can't smoke it. He drank my blood.
Yeah, it's pretty much a bridge
He don't
area.
even know.
Yeah, nicely transition. Well, verse 3, then this would technically be the bridge.
I give him love, but he can't smoke it.
Yeah.
He drank my blood.
But bridge, all of that's the bridge, then go to a hook. Sweet. So I would say that would conclude it for this video. Short and sweet. I don't want to bore you guys. As you can see, pretty much cleaning up the vocals. Let's do a recap. To strip silence is Command U to bring up. That's the shortcut. If you don't know where it's at, I don't know where it's at up here either. I definitely just remembered the shortcut. Let's find it. This is why that's why it's important to know the shortcut so you don't have to go through this. Strip silence, here it is. Under edit. So always, like, if you use anything up here, the shortcut is right here, right beside you guys. Take notes so you don't have to continue to do that. So boom, strip silence on and off. Command U. It toggles it on and off. We clean the vocals up from the silence, added our fades. Make sure you put your fades, you guys. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I went over like my routing, where everything is being sent. Yep. And I went over my template. My template is pretty self-explanatory. I got my effects that's already here. They are enabled. And we'll get more into those into the next video, you guys. So remember, mixing is an art. Be you. Stay true. I'm out. Well, I ain't out. I'm still here, but you know.